BJP wants to turn India into a haven for persecuted Hindus with CAA notification just before the general elections.
आप क्रोनोलॉजी समझ लीजिए.
On one hand, there are celebrations among Pakistani Hindus in Delhi and the Matwa community in Bengal. On the other, Assam and Delhi have erupted in protests. Let's get one thing clear though.
CAA is not about anybody who comes into India now.
Firstly, as the Congress rightly asked, why did the BJP wait for 4 years to notify the rules?
4 साल और 3 महीने लगे. नो एक्सटेंशन मांगा सुप्रीम कोर्ट से. अगर वो ईमानदारी से ये करते तो ये पहले 2020 में क्यों नहीं लाए? अभी ला रहे हैं. चुनाव के 1 महीने पहले ला रहे हैं. और ये हेडलाइन मैनेजमेंट है.
But it must be noted that BJP was headstrong on notifying the rules before the elections.
चुनाव से पहले के बाद
पहले ही होगा.
Notifying this just ahead of elections ensures complete consolidation of the vote bank for the BJP. Remember, they have already fulfilled major promises barring the Uniform Civil Code. Second, many ask why the government is bringing in CAA when it can easily grant refugees citizenship even otherwise. For example, Adnan Sami was granted citizenship. Under the 5 years of UPA 2 rule, over 1,000 persecuted Hindus were granted citizenship. The BJP-led NDA government has been doing the same since 2016, even when the CAA was not implemented at all. Why this upsets many is that for the first time, citizenship will be granted on the basis of religion. In isolation, this law looks harmless, but there is potential for misuse if linked with other laws.